Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to write 10-line story The Hunter and the Pigeons in English. Let's start. Once there was a hunter who wanted to catch birds. Two, he set a net to trap some pigeons. Three, the pigeons saw the net and got scared. Four, one pigeon got caught in the net. Five, the other pigeons felt sad for their friend. Six, they decided to help the trapped pigeon. Seven, the pigeons worked together to free their friend. Eight, they used their beaks to break the net. Nine, the pigeon was free and all the pigeons flew away happily. 10. Moral: Unity is strength. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.